What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to go over exactly how to set up an LLC in New York, and I'm going to walk you through two different ways to do it. First, I'm going to show you how to do everything yourself. No need to worry, I'm going to break it all down step by step so you know exactly what to do. Now, the second option is to use a professional service to handle it for you. There are tons of good options out there to do this, and it makes the whole process of starting your LLC less stressful. So if you're looking to start your LLC in New York, you're in the right place. All right, let's jump in.
Quick heads up, I've put affiliate links in the description for everything we're covering. If you do use them, I earn a commission at no extra cost to you, which does help support the channel.
So what exactly is an LLC? An LLC, or limited liability company, is a flexible business structure that also protects you legally. When you form an LLC, you create a separate legal entity for your business. This means your personal assets stay separate from your company's debts or legal issues. So if anything goes wrong, your personal finances are protected. LLCs also offer flexibility in how they're managed, different tax options, and the ability to bring in multiple owners called members who can share profits and losses. Because of these benefits, LLCs are a very popular choice for both new and experienced business owners. Now, as I mentioned already, you can set up an LLC two different ways. First, we're going to go through the process of how to do it on your own. So obviously, you need to choose a name for your LLC. Make sure the name you pick is unique and hasn't been taken, and make sure it's not similar to another business. Checking out the searchable name database on the New York Department of State website is a good start to make sure the name you want is available, or a Google search is helpful too. When it comes to naming your LLC, New York has a few requirements. Of course, the name should be unique, and the name must have limited liability company either spelled out or abbreviated in the business name. The name also shouldn't use words in it that would make it sound too familiar to a state or a federal agency. There were also words that are restricted or prohibited for use in New York. Some popular words you cannot use include professional terms like doctor or lawyer, and education entities like school or academy. Now, the Department of State website has a full list of words that need extra consideration to use. When it comes to restricted words, it doesn't mean you aren't allowed to use them at all. You just need to make sure you file the proper paperwork or file the correct licenses in order to use the name. Next, you need a registered agent. Now, a registered agent's job is to be the middleman for important legal documents for the business from the state. You or another member of the LLC who is a legal adult resident of New York can be a registered agent for the LLC. If you did not appoint anyone, then the New York Secretary of State will act as the default agent. Now, we can actually move on to creating the LLC. New York does this by filing the Articles of Organization. Your Articles of Organization will ask for some info like your LLC's name, the address, your purpose, registered agent's name and address, and the name of who is organizing the LLC. State fees are due with the application. The fee is $200. You can go through this process online by going through the Department of State website, by mail, fax, or in person through the state office in Albany. Now in New York, this doesn't get you an LLC just yet. There is another step. New York has their own set of publication requirements that needs to be completed before things can be official. The requirement says that a notice must be published in a newspaper within the county where the LLC's address is. It must be published in two different papers, one daily newspaper and one weekly newspaper. A list of approved newspapers you can publish in are kept at the county clerk's office. The content of the posting is generally a very broad summary of your Articles of Organization. If you need help with formatting that information, there are websites that can help you. Now, this must be published for 6 consecutive weeks and must be completed within 120 days of filing your Articles of Organization. At the end, you'll receive an affidavit of publication from each newspaper. Those must be submitted along with a completed certificate of publication. All 3 documents can then be sent to the New York Department of State along with the $50 filing fee. I know, seems like a lot. Now understand, depending on where you're forming your business, this step can get pricey. Take Manhattan, for example. Well, this is where the beauty of a registered agent can help. While yes, it's true in New York, the state or yourself can be appointed as your LLC's registered agent. Choosing an agent, whether an individual or company, let's say a smaller county, can give you access to less expensive publication costs and can save you some decent money. For example, choosing a registered agent service that operates in a less expensive county, you can still operate your business in the heart of New York City, but still benefit from the reduced publication fees. Something to definitely consider for sure. Along with saving money, you'll also enjoy the privacy of not having your personal information available to the public on state sites. Now, the next step is to create your own operating agreement. New York actually requires all LLCs to have one within 90 days of filing your LLC, but it doesn't need to be sent to the state. The agreement should include the breakdown in ownership, members' rights and responsibilities, how profits and losses are divided, what happens in the event of disputes in the business, and the procedure if a member wants to leave or close the LLC altogether. Now, these documents are often called living agreements, meaning they can and should be changed at any time to show any changes in the LLC. Next, you need an employer identification number, or EIN, for your business. An EIN is kind of like your business's social security number. Having one is crucial to opening a business bank account, applying for a business loan, hire employees, or even pay business income taxes. Getting an EIN is free and can be done online or by mail directly through the IRS. Finally, you need to get your business ready to pay the necessary taxes. Because LLCs are considered pass-through entities, the business itself isn't responsible for reporting and paying taxes. That responsibility is passed on to the owner or owners, unless you choose to be taxed as a corporation or an S-corp. So all taxable income from the business is then reported and paid through the owner's personal tax returns. Now, you also need to be ready for self-employment and payroll taxes if you plan to have employees, plus sales tax. Sales tax applies to the sale of physical goods and certain services, and in New York, the state rate this year is 4%. On top of that, many jurisdictions and counties add their own sales tax, which means the total can be as high as 8% in some areas. Your obligations to submit your collected taxes to the state ranges from monthly to annually, depending on the amount of taxes you collect. There are guides on the newyork.tax.gov website to help you understand which route is best for you. And if your business is subject to the corporate tax e-file mandate, or if you prepare the taxes yourself, use a computer to prepare the filings, and have access to the internet to complete the filing, then you must submit your tax payments online through the web file site.
Now, besides taxes, you'll also need to file a biennial statement to maintain your LLC.
The document is due by the end of your anniversary month every 2 years. You can go through the renewal process by using the e-statement filing system, and the fee is $9. Now, if going through all of these steps on your own sounds like it could be very stressful and just a huge hassle, there is another, easier way. Personally, there aren't enough hours in the day to get this all done, which is why I chose ZenBusiness to do this for me. So if you're short on time, or you just don't want the headache of dealing with all of the stress and all of the paperwork, then there is a simpler way to get it all done, which is using a business formation service to take care of everything for you. So for me, ZenBusiness is a great option for a business formation service. It simplifies the process of starting and managing a business, especially for those people who are just starting out. They offer a user-friendly platform, transparent pricing, and a range of other services. Of course, there are plenty of other great services that I have also tried, such as Taylor Brands, LegalZoom, and Swift Filings.
If you want to check out what we're covering today, we have affiliate links in the description. Using these earns us a commission at no extra cost to you, which really helps support the channel.
So what exactly is ZenBusiness? It's a popular formation service that helps you handle the legal and compliance side of starting a business. They take care of all of the required filings and offer helpful extras like drafting an operating agreement, filing a DBA, and staying on top of annual report deadlines. They also support S-Corp and C-Corp formations, not just LLCs. Altogether, it works as a one-stop shop to keep your business legally covered so you can focus on actually running it. So how do I actually set up an LLC with ZenBusiness? The first step is to click the Start an LLC button. From there, you'll type in the name you've picked for your LLC and pick New York from the drop-down menu. Next, you'll need to provide your contact information like your name, your email address, and your phone number. On the next few screens, you're going to answer a bunch of simple questions. Basically, these questions help the platform understand your business so they can get an idea of what your business will need.
Then you would just pick the ZenBusiness plan that works best for you. It starts with a free starter plan, and you only need to pay the state filing fee, which makes it a budget-friendly choice for new entrepreneurs. This tier covers essential LLC filings with a 100% accuracy guarantee and includes a 30-day free trial of their web tools like the AI website builder, domain, and business email. From there, their pro plan costs around $200 per year plus state fees. It adds 1-day rush filing so your application is processed as fast as possible. You also get your EIN and a customizable operating agreement template included, which does save you from having to pay for those as separate add-ons later. It even includes ongoing compliance with up to 2 amendment filings at no extra charge. And if you want the highest tier, the premium plan is about $400 per year plus state fees. It includes everything in the pro plan with premium essentials, such as their registered agent service to protect your privacy privacy, a one-on-one business advisor consultation, and a 60-day trial of Money Pro to manage your invoicing and taxes. Plus, you get the full business documents library and advanced compliance coverage, which gives you 24/7 monitoring, a money-back guarantee on missed deadlines, and unlimited amendment filings to keep your business records current as you grow. So whether you're just getting started or looking for a more streamlined way to handle the paperwork, ZenBusiness gives you a few solid options to choose from.
All right, this wraps up both ways to set up an LLC in New York. First, doing it all yourself and dealing with losing time and, of course, feeling stressed. Or two, having a business formation service do it all for you. At the end of the day, ZenBusiness is a solid choice for setting up an LLC for your business. It's super easy and smooth. They offer tons of extra services, which make it stand out from other formation sites who only offer registration services. It's an easy recommendation to anyone starting a new business who, like me, wants it to be smooth and easy. And that's about it for this video. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel to see more videos just like this.
And don't forget, you can find the affiliate links for what we covered right below this video. And if you do use them, we earn a commission at no extra cost to you, which helps support the channel.
Also, if you're interested in working with us or sponsoring a future video, just reach out using the email in the description below. If you have any questions, feel free to drop those in the comments below, and I'll do my best to get back to you as quickly as I can. Finally, guys, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.